You search for a logo design on Fiverr. The seller's price said 500 rupees, but at checkout, your total was over 1,000. Sounds like a scam, right? It's not. It's a fee you didn't know about. And by the end of this video, you know exactly how to avoid overpaying and how to pick a freelancer who actually does good work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to hire a freelancer on Fiverr the smart way. If you find this useful, do subscribe, it really helps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to fiverr.com. Click on Sign In. You can use your Google account or just continue with your email. Either one works fine. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click the search bar and type in whatever work you need done. Let's say you're looking for SEO help. Type that in. And you'll see hundreds of freelancers offering the same service. That's a lot to scroll through, so let's narrow it down. Use the filters. Pick your category first. Then choose things like service type, industry, and language to match exactly what you need. Now here's something important. Fiverr ranks its sellers by level. There's new seller, level 1, level 2, and top rated. In my opinion, top rated sellers charge a lot more. I usually go with a level 1 seller or even a new seller. Why? Because they're still building their reputation, so they work harder and they charge less. You get great value without the premium price tag. Set your budget using the filter and click Apply. You can also choose how fast you want the work delivered. Let's say 3 days. Then click on any profile that looks like a good fit. Before you hire anyone, take a minute to check them properly. On the seller's page, you'll see their pricing plans. Look at exactly what's included in each one, so you know what you're paying for. Then click on the reviews. This step matters more than people think. Reading what past clients actually experienced is the best way to avoid hiring the wrong person. And here's a rule I always follow. Never hire a seller who has no reviews at all or who has negative reviews. It might look cheap, but it's rarely worth the risk. Once you're happy with the seller, click Continue. Check the details of the plan you picked and click Continue again. Choose your payment method, fill in your details, and click Confirm and Pay. That's it, your order is placed. But wait, before you check out, here's the part that confuses most people. You'll notice the seller's price was, say, 500 rupees, but your total comes out closer to 1,000. That's not the seller cheating you. That's Fiverr adding its own service fee and tax at checkout. So always keep that extra cost in mind when you're picking a seller within your budget. And that's really all it takes to hire the right freelancer on Fiverr, without wasting money or getting stuck with a bad seller. In the next video, we're going to flip this around completely. I'll show you how to create your own seller account, find the niche that people actually want, and set up your very first gig. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.